Hi, I'm Paul Torgerson. It's Friday, November 22nd, 2019, and this is a look at the information security news from overnight. From ZDNet, the DPrimo downloader is using never-before-seen methods called port monitor to install colored Lambert malware. The malware actually comes in black, white, blue, green, and pink Lambert, depending on its function, and targets victims in Europe and Middle East. The initial attack vector is not known. From Bleeping Computer, a payment service platform's checkout page was recently cloned to harvest credit card information from the online shop's customers. This is a new twist, as threat actors typically try to scrape the info entered into the store's forms, but these guys just replaced the page entirely. And they did a pretty good job. Details in the article. From ZDNet, the Hackbit ransomware doesn't use a text file as its ransom note, but places its demand over the PC's desktop wallpaper. It also gives you a handy QR code for the Bitcoin payment path. Fortunately, this new strain already has a free decryption key created by MSysSoft, the same outfit that just released the Jigsaw decryption tools. Thanks, guys. From SC Magazine, European hotel booking platform Gecko Group stored over 1 terabyte of information on an unsecured server, exposing data related to its hotel B2B clients as well as travel agents and their customers. The database has since been taken offline. No word yet from Gecko Group or their parent company, Accor Hotels. And last this week from ZDNet, a new Trojan called SecTopRAT has appeared in the wild, which launches a hidden secondary desktop to control browser sessions on infected machines. Once connected with its command and control, the Trojan can either stream an active desktop session or create a secondary one. Browser sessions can be launched in Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. More details inside. That's it for me today. Have a great weekend, and until Monday, be safe out there.